Most people waste hours on Mistplay playing the wrong games and earning almost nothing. Here's the truth no one tells you. Not every game on Mistplay pays at the same speed. Some games level up fast and give quick units, while others slow down after just a few minutes. In this video, you'll learn the best Mistplay games to earn points fast in 2026, how the earning system actually works, and the biggest mistakes that quietly destroy your rewards without you noticing. Let's start with the most important rule. Games with fast early progression usually earn points quicker. That means idle games, casino simulators, merge games, and simple strategy games often outperform heavy multiplayer games. One of the top categories right now is idle tycoon games. These games reward constant progression with very little effort. For example, Alex played an idle business simulator while watching Netflix and reached multiple checkpoint rewards in under an hour. These games are perfect because Mistplay tracks playtime and progression together. But here's the problem. Many people keep grinding the same game too long. Mistplay usually reduces earning speed after you level up repeatedly in one title. This is where most people fail. Instead of playing one game for 5 hours straight, rotate between 2 or 3 games. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Puzzle and merge games are secretly some of the fastest earners for new accounts. Games similar to Match 3 puzzles or city merge builders often have easy beginner levels that level up quickly. John tested this by switching from a shooter game to a merge game, and doubled his points in the same amount of time. Another strong category in 2026 is casino-style slot games. These games level up extremely fast because progression is automatic. But you need to avoid spending real money. The goal is fast XP, not gambling. Use free spins, complete beginner missions, and move on once rewards slow down. In a minute, I'll show you the highest mistake that gets accounts earning slower over time. Before that, here's a quick trick. Always check the boosted games section inside Mistplay. These games temporarily offer higher unit rates. Many users ignore this tab completely, even though it's one of the easiest ways to maximize rewards. Now, for the mistake. Don't leave games running idle overnight. Mistplay has become much stricter in 2026 about detecting inactive gameplay. If the app thinks you are not actively playing, tracking may slow down or stop entirely. The smartest strategy is simple. Play boosted games, focus on fast leveling genres, rotate games regularly, and stop once earning speed drops. That combination gives the best results for most users. So here's the takeaway. Idle games, merge games, puzzle games, and casino simulators are currently among the fastest Mistplay earners in 2026. But the real secret is switching games before the rewards slow down. If you found this helpful, comment below with your highest Mistplay payouts so far. And subscribe for more money app tricks, reward hacks, and side hustle guides.